Hello, guys. Hope you're doing well. I will show you today actually how to track actually Google Ads conversion tracking step by step. So firstly, I have to come to Google Ads conversion tracking and you set up first goals and summary. And you can create a conversion actions, and it is a faster step. Then you have to set up actually edit chores, and then you have to paste your website link. So my website link. My website link is scanning and white actually. Okay, and then set up Google Ads and open no problem and done. And then go to actually this website. What is this you need? The Google Ads conversion tracking, calls, format, everything. Then continue. The parses tag, that conversions is actually using a lot of tag. It is manual with code or automatic. Obviously, you have to set up automatic or manually. Go to manually conversion tracking. Process, it is a writing the process, primary, it's a primary, not always a secondary, and then you have to select it actually using Google tag and use different value walls for conversions, FBA and 90-day, everything is set up perfectly. It's actually user proper enhanced conversion track, no need for this enhancements or enhanced conversion track. So go to done, review, save and continue. And then it's actually annual code, process, Google Tag Manager. It says conversion name, conversion label, and conversion ID. So it is a conversion label and conversion ID. It needs to go to actually Google Tag Manager and new tag click. Go to and Google Ads conversion tracking. So Google Ads, this is Google Ads conversion tag, conversion ID. So go to constant variable. It's actually constant variable, and so and then conversion ID. Conversion ID and then save and conversion level. Create a new tag and then save. Just refer and conversion level. Actual conversion below transaction ID currency code, conversion DLB currency below. So again, go to actually DLB. You have to tag trigger purchase conversion tag to set up a trigger. You have to go and only set up actually purchase tag. You have to see purchase. What is this purchase tag and then purchase tag setup? Okay, and Google Ads conversion tag ID already tag and setup. It's already tag and submit from button clicks public and continue, and then it is actually finished setup. Okay, and just go to preview mode. By preview mode, what happened actually? Go to preview mode. Okay. This problem, but okay, just wait. Every one product, just select click, then add to cart, view cart, check out this order. Take a stand, what happens? Just wait for me. Okay, just wait. And the purchase tag is already fired. Google Ads conversion tag, Google Ads conversion tag ID, and go to GA4 Google Ads conversion tag ID is almost 5. So, and then see Google Ads conversion tag is almost 5. Charts Ads conversion tag almost. This Google Ads conversion tag almost. This is actually 5. So this actual Google Ads conversion tag 5. So if you need to be more details and advanced needs, so please just only for knock me. I will fix with your problem. Thank you so much.